Hello students, welcome back again, and today we are taking some new concepts and terms related to the injustice and discrimination in the Indian society and in different social groups, especially in jatis or caste system. The prejudices. I am taking a new topic, prejudices. Prejudices, as it is named, that it is the prejudgment or the predecided perspective or any view, ideology about any particular caste or group. When we are looking any person or place, and we are just connecting this place or person with our old perspective or our prejudgmental judgment perspective, then it is called the prejudices. Most of the times this prejudices is taken as a negative sense, because we cannot combine all the persons and all the matters together on our prejudgment or behalf of the previous knowledge. Only previous knowledge or previous experience is not the matter to indicate or to imagine about anyone's, because it may be that the person may be differ from our previous acquired knowledge or previous judgment. But as well, as soon as we connecting with any person, either it is the any religious group related or related to the particular caste, then immediately our mind just take the some previous perspectives and previous judgments which were happened in the past. But this is not always true, because some people may be different from our prejudgment. So most of the occasions these prejudices is playing a very negative role when we are connecting with the other peoples or other caste, and this is also responsible for discrimination between the different caste and different social groups and the people who are communicating and behaving with the other peoples. And you have seen most of the occasions the people belonging to the upper caste automatically say that the Dalits are very poor. It is due to their situations, conditions, and due to their habits. They cannot become rich. They cannot be literate, because they will remain as they are in the current time. So this is the prejudices. But we have seen that there are so many great personalities have taken birth in the Dalit communities. Our former president, Mr. K.R. Narayanan, former Lok Sabha Speaker, Ms. Meera Kumar, these were the members or persons who have taken the birth in the poor and Dalit communities. So this prejudgment or prejudices that most of the Dalit communities people are poor and they cannot go forward and cannot reach up to the higher post. So these prejudices also play a major role in the discriminatory behaviors in the societies and in different jatis. And the next concept that is also just about near to prejudices, and it is stereotypes. Stereotype is also a type of prejudgment, and you can say the concept that has stored in our unconsciousness mind. It may be that anybody has told us, or we have seen any particular event or accident when we have feel a very cruel or any type of particular prejudices judgment. Then if the new situation will come in front of us, then automatically our prejudgment or predecision will appear in our mind, and this will take the form of the decision or the voice or words which we are saying in front of the others. Just like it is automatically sometimes listening from the peoples that boys are brave, girls are emotional, boys don't cry, Rajputas are very courageous, and they are very brave. So this type of prejudgments or predecisions which have taken a very rigid form in our mind or in our heart, these are called the stereotypes. Means stereotype feelings or judgments are very strictly and very rigidly concentrated and taken the place in our mind. And when the time will come, these prejudices, stereotype feelings will automatically come out from our mind, and these will also responsible for discrimination, misbehaving, and sometimes the decisions which will not be healthy. These will be taken by any person against of the any jati, any religious people, or any handicapped person who is unable to do any work. So these are the stereotypes feelings. So we have to just remove these prejudices and stereotype feelings, because these are not always truth, and sometimes this may be very bad for our decisions, and sometimes this will be also play the negative role for the unity of the society and the country.